This is tricky. It is either a thermal image from a Fluke camera or a system file for Install Shield. One is a photo, the other is useless code. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify which one you have. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific IS2 application fails. More details to follow. The IS2 file carries the industry-recognized flag for disk image file formats. It is stored using the thermal image data file format. The IS2 file is a highly proprietary measurement data file used by IRT Cronista, infrared and thermal imaging software. It contains structured temperature readings, spatial data, and metadata from thermal analysis experiments. Developed by Greyes, the format is closed-source and highly specialized. Its structure is designed to be read exclusively by the IRT Cronista software, which is required to interpret the thermal data and map it back to the original image or sensor readings. The software default for the IS2 file type is the solution provided by Greyes' IRT Cronista. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows provides little insight into these files, so proper handling relies on dedicated disk tools. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the IS2 file and click Open With. Test IRT Cronista first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If the IS2 file won't open, don't panic. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, Run Setup Executable. Do not open the IS2 file directly. Instead, find and run the main setup.exe or install exe file located in the same directory. Next, check for ISSetup.dll. If setup fails, check the setup directory for the required ISSetup.dll file and ensure it is not blocked by antivirus or firewall. Finally, use 7-zip to extract. If the installation fails repeatedly, use 7-zip to open the main installer and manually extract the components to run the core program files. If the file remains locked despite all attempts, the universal viewer is the exclusive method. It can reliably extract many files, making it worth a shot. FileMagick provides genuine peace of mind. Its incredible feature is the instant, reliable viewing of IS2 file content, regardless of whether the file extension is present or correct. Visit FileMagick.com to download. The next video will tackle an even trickier file. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.